Today, I'll walk you through how to open a Microsoft Word DOCX in Google Docs, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access your Word documents in Google Docs so you can easily edit and collaborate online. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. You can do this by typing Google into your search bar and hitting enter. This is your starting point where you'll access all the Google services you need. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the Google Apps icon in the upper right corner. Click on it and then select Docs from the drop-down menu. This will take you to Google Docs where you can create and manage your documents. Now in Google Docs, locate the folder icon, which is typically found on the right side of the screen. Click on this folder icon. This action will open a new window that allows you to upload files from your computer. In the new window, click on the Upload option. This is where you'll begin the process of bringing your DOCX file into Google Docs. Next, you will see a prompt to upload your document. Click on Select a file from your device and choose the DOCX file you want to upload. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps are generally the same. After selecting your file, click Open to start the upload process. This may take a moment depending on your file size, so be patient. Once the upload is complete, Google will automatically open the file for you. You can now view and edit your Word document directly in Google Docs, making it easy to collaborate with others or make changes on the fly. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a Microsoft Word DOCX in Google Docs. This method not only allows you to access your documents online, but also ensures that you can work on them from any device with internet access. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.